Hi, have you ever wondered why you get sick and how you can heal? Have you ever wondered how you could apply your NES material to healing people? Hi, my name is Richard Flook and I want to just explain in about 5 minutes exactly what you're going to discover on this short training with me for 2 days in Maroochydore on the Sunshine Coast on the 7th and 8th of March in Australia. So we're going to learn about emotional stress and its link to disease and the missing pieces in the healing process that even Peter Fraser knew about, and how to use your NES-Health system, infoceuticals, the Mihealth, MRs and multiple body scanning to heal you and your clients energetically. How to heal the energetic stress that is triggering disease using advanced clearing energetics, which is my work, and your NES-Health Tools. And explain what we're going to cover in the 2-day training, the March 7th and 8th of 2019 in Maroochydore. So there are 2 versions of this video. There's a long one that goes into the science behind this groundbreaking material, and this is the second one that covers the basics and what we're going to do on the 2-day course. So it's going to be pretty fast, and I'm not going to go into a lot of detail. It's going to be as quickly as I possibly can. Why do we get sick and how can you heal? This is a missing piece in the healing process. The first thing you need to do is to address your stress, then release your toxicity, reduce your inflammation, and rework your environment and raise your energy. Peter would often say within the NES system, he said, well, there is a big piece that is missing, and this is all about stress. So it's important that you address your stress first. I've been in the energetic healing field for almost 30 years. I'm a Hay House author. I wrote the book Why Am I Sick? I travel the world teaching this particular material. And I got into this with the death of my mum, who died from breast cancer. I had a herniated disc that made me almost unable to walk. And I was also a very good, close friend of the late Peter Fraser. So your experience on the 7th and 8th of March in Maroochydore, you're going to discover why we get sick and how you can heal using NES-Health. We're going to uncover the real reason as to what triggers a disease to occur, find that trigger in you and your client using the brain infoceuticals, and then you use Liberator to heal that trigger completely once and for all. I think you're going to love what you're going to learn. There's even more. Explore the 6 stages of a disease, which I showed you briefly in that other picture, and how to use this to know why and where a person is within their disease process, especially chronic issues, and how they link to the NES scans. Even doctors honestly have no idea of how this process works, even though they are taught all about the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems. There's more. You're going to learn and practice the different energetic healing processes with like-minded people in a secure environment, so you can have the freedom to truly delve into this incredible material, ask those inquisitive questions, and see for yourself how healing using advanced clearing energetics and the NES-Health can occur quickly and easily. I think you're going to really love how you can do all of this. There's lots of practical, lots of all that stuff. It's not going to be just teaching. But you're also going to get to work on your own stuff, and that's important, because the only way that you can become absolutely convinced that this stuff works is by trying it out yourself. So you're going to be able to heal any troubling pain, stop your chronic issues, and solve those psychological screw-ups. Get yourself straight using NES and ACE before you help heal others. And you're also going to discover more about using multiple health scans, something that is not normally allowed, but I'm going to show you how to do that and why you would want to do that. And we're going to uncover the deep traumas of where they are trapped in the water in the body. Multiple NES scans give you a specific roadmap or specific roadmaps as to where to focus your healing work. Nothing like this is ever taught in NES trainings as far as I know, but it is the backbone of Peter and myself's work. And you're also going to learn how to combine all this work into a session with a client, how to use, find and clear the UDINs multiple times, and then how to assist your client by using normal infoceuticals so you and your client can complete their healing effectively. You know, this is just really groundbreaking work, and I think you're going to love it. There's one last piece: how to apply the 5 steps to healing energetically to you and your clients' lives, further enhancing your NES Health works so you know what to do and when, assisting your client and then healing yourself using this material. Of course, there's going to be a heck of a lot more. It's going to be absolutely fantastic. So get more info here, admin at Health Express World, speak to Cyril, Richard at richardfluke.com. If you need to talk, then book some time with me. There's my diary, richardfluke.com/diary on the internet. Here are the dates: 7th of 8th of March on the Sunshine Coast. It includes catered lunch, morning and afternoon teas, and there's the price. You can book on healthexpressworld.com. And essentially, until we actually meet in person, have a great rest of your day. I really look forward to sharing this incredible information with you. And if you want to find out a little bit more information, go and watch that longer video. I think you'll love it. And until we do actually meet, have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye for now.